What is a standalone project in Angular? In recent versions of Angular, starting with Angular 40, we can build app using standalone components without relying on ng modules. This is what we refer to when we talk about a standalone project. In a standalone Angular project, components, directives, and files can be marked with standalone true, and they directly import what they need, which simplifies dependency management and reduces the need to create feature modules. I have used standalone components in newer projects to build lightweight, faster to load apps. For example, instead of declaring components in a module, I just import them directly where needed. Angular CLI also supports generating standalone components using the standalone flag, and routing can be configured using the new provide router method. This has helped us reduce boilerplate, make components more usable, and improve tree shaking during builds. It also aligns Angular more closely with modern frameworks like React in terms of simplicity. So, in summary, standalone architecture in Angular makes X simpler, faster to scaffold, and more maintainable, especially for micro frontends or modular enterprise apps.